All right, so this is the moment I've been waiting for, is see how this thing looks inside. I think I've got it off enough. What's up, everyone? Today we're working on the 73 Hondo. So we got all kinds of new parts for this, and we got some more new parts coming. I've got stuff to do all the ignition on it, put all new plugs, wires. I've got an electronic ignition conversion because this originally had points in it. Got a carb rebuild kit. I want to take the valve covers off and repaint them. I want to take the intake manifold off and repaint that. I want to take the exhaust manifolds off because on the other side there's an exhaust stud that's broken off. I'd like to weld a nut to that and get that pulled out. And then I want to replace these old exhaust hoses because they're a little bit weathered, and if you break one of those you can take on a lot of water very quick, and I really don't want to sink this boat. So we're going to get to it. Well, there would be one nut that's not the same size. All right, so this is the moment I've been waiting for, is see how this thing looks inside. I think I've got it off enough. Oh, all right. Okay. This actually looks pretty dang clean inside here. I don't see like any sludge or anything. I mean, we haven't sat for probably as long as it has. Wow. Okay. Wow, I'm a little bit less worried about this than what I thought I would be. I'd say we just run her. All right. So, first thing we're going to do here is pull this guy off. I kept all the plug wires on there, and I kept them kind of in order so that when I set the new cap on there, I can actually use this to reference where the plug wires went. Otherwise, I just look at a firing order diagram, but this works too. So in here, you can see, this is that Mallory. There's cap, don't need that. So this has points in it, and that's what I ran it on last time. I actually have an electronic ignition conversion though for this that replaces these points, and it's got like a reluctor wheel that goes on here. So that way I don't have to worry about points. I can take these ones and throw them in a bag that way on the water. If I ever did have a problem, I could just set these up quick and run the points, but I don't think we'll have an issue with that. All right, so now we're going to pull this carb off so we can rebuild it. I've got a full carb kit for that. So, I'm spilling gas. Wow, pretty clean inside this intake manifold too. So you got that undone. Then we can get these exhausts coming off. I decided I'm going to take this front cover off too. Yeah, that's nice. And got some goop in there. We'll paint that. Check out what this other valve cover looks like. It's hard to do and hold the camera at the same time. Oh, you know, I think I can grab her now and just. Holy cow. Jeepers. I think this side's just as clean. Wow. I'm pretty amazed, to be honest. I even decided to take off the crank pulley head. I think the bearings in that make a little bit of noise, although they're all smooth. But I don't know that it is making any juice last time I had it fired up. So we'll have to look at that. Got my vacuum cleaner here. We're just gonna suck up some of this crap. I'm not trying to get it perfect. I'm just trying to get the big chunks out. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's very satisfying. Whoa. I actually just picked up a bolt. Do that. Oh, there goes another one. Probably should move those. I feel a lot better about getting most of that crap sucked up. Looking much better. Oh, come on. This one's just a spot that barely fits in there. Ooh. Now to get it come off this end. Come on. You know you don't want to come off. Come off in there. Alright. I think I'm finally getting somewhere. I'm just dropping stuff into the bilge, which is full of water right now because it rained the other day and I don't have a cover. You know, minor details. Okay. I think we are free. Look at that. Bada boom. Bada boom. So it's on this nice little diagram of all the hose routing and what size hoses are going to everything. We've got these off. Just got this one with a little mini DA with a polish on it. And kind of hard to tell, but it looks a lot better than this. That's going to be it for today. Got quite a bit done this weekend. Now I still got to go through and get a lot of these things sandblasted and get the carb rebuilt. And I'll take you guys through all of that. But looking forward to getting this thing looking good. And we'll see you soon.